Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standings, December 3, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, December 4, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Here are the results of the games played today in the NBA, December 3. The Atlanta Hawks beat the Skidding Pelicans 124-112 to extend win streak to 4 games. Trae Young led the Hawks with 12 points, 8 rebounds, and 15 big assists, double-double, and John Collins has 19 points, 7 rebounds, and 5 assists. For the Pelicans, Ives Misic put in 23 points, 12 rebounds, and 1 steal, and CJ McCollum has 29 points, 6 rebounds, and 2 assists. The Boston Celtics rout Miami Heat 108-89. Jaylen Brown chipped in 29 points, 7 rebounds, and 4 assists, and Peyton Pritchard added 25 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists. For the Miami Heat, Jaime Jaquez Jr. has 19 points, 10 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Tyler Hero added 19 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists. The Chicago Bulls raced past the Nets for a 128-102 victory. Josh Giddey led the Bulls with 20 points, 13 rebounds, 11 assists, triple-double, and Nikola Vucevic added 21 points, 10 rebounds, and 3 assists. Dennis Schroeder led the Nets with 16 points, 2 rebounds, and 10 assists, and Tyrese Martin added 15 points, 5 rebounds, and 2 assists. Minnesota Timberwolves blow out Lakers 109-80. Rudy Gobert led Minnesota with 17 points and 12 rebounds double-double, and Julius Randle added 18 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists. While for the Lakers, Anthony Davis chipped in 12 points, 11 rebounds, and 5 assists, but he is 4 of 14 from the field. And LeBron James has 10 points, 8 rebounds, and 4 assists, but shot just 4 of 16 from the field. Minnesota outscored Lakers 45-18 in three-point department. And here's the team standings for December 3, 2024. Let us have the Eastern Conference standing. The 15th team is the Washington Wizards, 2-16 record, 14-game losing skid. 14, Philadelphia 76ers, 4-14 record. 13, Toronto Raptors, 6-15 record. 12, Charlotte Hornets, 6-14 record with 5-game losing skid. 11 is the Brooklyn Nets, 9-13 record with 3-game losing. Number 10 is the Detroit Pistons, 9 wins, 13 losses. 9 is the Chicago Bulls, 9 wins and 13 losses. Number 8 is the Indiana Pacers, 9 wins, 12 losses with 2-game losing skid. Number 7 is the Miami Heat, 9 wins and 10 losses and 2-game losing skid. Number 6 is the Atlanta Hawks, 11-11 record with 4-game winning streak. Number 5 is the Milwaukee Bucks, 10-9 record with 6-game winning streak. New York Knicks is at number 4, 12-8 with 2-game winning streak. Number 3 is the Orlando Magic with 15-7 record with 6-game winning streak. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics, 17-4 record. And the number 1 team in the Eastern Conference is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 18 wins and 3 losses. Let us have the team standings for the Western Conference. Number 15, New Orleans Pelicans, 4 wins, 18 losses, with 9-game losing skid. Number 14, Utah Jazz, 4 wins, 16 losses, with 4-game losing skid. Number 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers, 8-13. Number 12, Sacramento Kings, 9-12 with 2-game losing skid. Number 11 is the Minnesota Timberwolves, 10 wins, 10 losses with 2-game winning streak. San Antonio Spurs is at number 10, 11-9 record. 9, Denver Nuggets, 10-8 record. Los Angeles Lakers slide to number 8, 12-9 record. Phoenix Suns climb to number 7 with 11-8 record. Los Angeles Clippers climb to number 6, 13-9 record. Number 5 is the Dallas Mavericks, 13-8 record with 4-game winning streak. Golden State Warriors is at number 4, 12-7 record with 4-game losing skid. Number 3 is the Memphis Grizzlies, 14-7 record with 6-game winning streak. 12 is the Houston Rockets, 15-6 record with 3-game winning streak. And the number 1 team in the Western Conference is the OKC Thunder with 15-5 record. These are the NBA Cup schedule on December 4, 2024 Philippine time or December 3, 2024 US time. This will be the last day of NBA Cup for group play. After all the games, the matchup for the next round will be determined together with the wild card team. In the first game, Tyrese Maxey and the 76ers will play against LaMelo Ball and the Charlotte Hornets in Spectrum Center at 8 a.m. The Cleveland Cavaliers, led by Donovan Mitchell, will try to bounce back from back-to-back losses against the struggling Wizards team, led by Jordan Poole in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. Giannis Antetokounmpo and the Milwaukee Bucks will try to clinch East Group B against Cade Cunningham and the Detroit Pistons in Little Caesars Arena at 8 a.m. Both teams are unbeaten in the NBA Cup. Other teams with unbeaten record will play in Madison Square Garden at 8:30 a.m. The Orlando Magic, led by Franz Wagner, and the New York Knicks, led by Jalen Bronson. The Indiana Pacers, led by Pascal Siakam, will face RJ Barrett and the Toronto Raptors in Scotiabank Arena at 8:30 a.m. The Oklahoma City Thunder will fight to clinch West Group B spot in NBA Cup against John Collins in the Utah Jazz in Paycom Center at 9 a.m. Two teams will fight for a wildcard spot in American Airlines Center at 9:30 a.m. The Memphis Grizzlies, led by Jaren Jackson Jr., and the Dallas Mavericks, led by Luka Doncic. The San Antonio Spurs, led by Victor Wembanyama, will fight for NBA Cup group spot against Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns in Footprint Center at 10 a.m. The Denver Nuggets, led by Nikola Jokic, will try to secure a wildcard spot against Stephen Curry and the Golden State Warriors in Ball Arena at 11 a.m. The Houston Rockets will try to make a statement game against Domantas Sabonis in the Sacramento Kings and Golden One Center at 11 a.m. The Portland Trail Blazers, led by Robert Williams III, will face James Harden and the Clippers in Intuit Doom at 11:30 a.m. Both teams still have a chance for a wildcard spot. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.